15, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Right max long. 150. Left over 60. Titans 4 fast in, 150. Right max long, into 5 left, fast line, and right max over 150, slowing, turn 1 left, fast line. 60, go 3 left, fast line, into right max long in, and 4 left in, 4 left in, go 3 right, opens to max in over small crest, into left max, late in, 80, left into turn slow, 2 right, go 4 left line, 80 down, left and open hairpin right. 80. Go 4 left in over crest. Repeat, go 4 left in over crest and 2 right long in. The hairpin left long tightened. Tightens late. 60 over small crest. 3 right tightens, square right plus. 80. Go 5 right line, opens tightens line okay. 4 left fast over dip. Into right over crest and 4 left long opens to max. And slow 3 right in over crest, 80. Right max 100. 2 right, fast in over crest, room. And right into late 2 left, fast okay. Late 2 left, fast okay. 100. Max left long over bump. And late max left in over crest. Early 5 right. Crest, left tightens 3, fast long. Into right over crest, 100, 5 right, fast line over crest, 4 left long, opens, tightens, okay. Fast 2 right in over crest, opens to max long. Into dip, and late, 3 left, fast in, 60. Go 4 left, fast in over crest, okay, 100. Small crest long, 20, turn square left. Early right max in, cut. And left tightens, open hairpin left, carry speed. And right max in. Early left max in over crest. And crest, 150. Left tightens 4 line in and 3 right, fast long in and crest long into right max and left into slow 3 right, opens to max long okay and nips 80 down, square left, opens to max long, carry speed. 80 up. Rightish over crest max and left max over 80, keeping over crest and 6 right, opens and tightens, slow 2 long and slow 2 right in on crest, 2 right and open hairpin left. Go.